At the end of this video, you will know the exact tools to grow your Instagram effectively faster. So make sure to watch this till the end. Hey, I'm Imran Silva, and if you are new here, consider subscribing because I make videos on these similar topics. First, Linktree. Linktree is very important and helpful software for every person because Instagram doesn't allow you to add more than one link in your bio. With Linktree, you can add multiple links in one link, which you will be putting in the bio of your Instagram. Sign up for Linktree and you will be here. To add new link, click on add new link. Then you can add any link here. Just add the title and add the link. Done. Then automatically it gets saved like this. Then you can copy this link, this one, share, copy my Linktree. Then you can add that in on your Instagram. See, here you can paste it. I have already done it. I'll do it again and show you all. See, after saving it, I'm just clicking on it about Linktree. See, here there are 4 links. If I click on this, it will redirect me to that. So if I click on my podcast, it will go directly to my podcast. This is how you can use multiple links in one link. Canva. Canva is a graphic designing tool which most of the people use because it has the easy to use system or interface. With the help of Canva, you can design beautiful graphic designs for each and every single platform, and also you can design each and everything you need. Canva has templates. Templates make your life easier and help you design professional looking graphic designs in Canva. Here you can design each and every single thing. See, Instagram posts, logos, cards, resume, and a lot more. You can just search or click here on the options. Here there will be all the templates. If I click on here, we can edit it. We can do anything here. See, we can add text. If you want more text, you can add that also by clicking here, add text, and there are many designs. Also, there are illustrations which you can use, frames, lines. There's each and every single thing everybody need. I design my thumbnails here only. This is the only tool I use for each and every single thing. Mojo. Mojo is an app where you can design stories for your Instagram. You can design stories with animated text, animated pictures, and a lot more. It's a very helpful app to use. Mojo. On Mojo, you can design beautiful stories for your Instagram. These are the templates which you can use. There are animations, there are text, there's each and every single thing here. Go out there and check which one looks better and use it. This is the best app to create Instagram stories. On besthashtags.com, you will get a lot of hashtags idea to use. Just type in your keyword and you will get many hashtags. But while using hashtags, you must know which hashtags will work on your account and not. Just type in your keyword and you will get many hashtags. But before using them, see if they are good for your account. Check out this video to learn more about Instagram hashtags and how to use them and which hashtags you use. Right? And type in your keyword related to your account. For me, it's digital marketing. And search it. Here you will get all the hashtags which are related to your account. If you go down, here you will get these hashtags. Here you get to see how many posts are there in those hashtags. Click the I button, there will be a video on how to use these hashtags by looking at the post, because not all hashtags work great on your account. This is very helpful info here. Ninjalytics. Ninjalytics is an analytics tool for Instagram. It is the best analytics tools out there. It helps you see which hashtags are doing great and also check check the rate of your engagement. It can help you to monitor your growth and see how you are doing. Can help you track your results of your Instagram account. It can track every single thing. Type in your username and click analyze. It will analyze all your data from your account. See, you get to see your engagement rate, your growth graph, and down below there will be the hashtags. See, these hashtags are working great on my account. Here you can see what's working and what's not working. If you learned something new today, comment down below yes. Facebook Creator Studio. In this, you can schedule your post in Facebook as well as Instagram. You get to schedule it for free. There are many platforms out there which take money from you, but this is completely free from Facebook, and also you get some analytics of your post. Facebook Creator Studio. It's an app for mobile, and there's also a site. Search for Facebook Creator Studio. Here you can schedule your post and see and view analytics. Click on create post. I am choosing this for my Instagram. Next, schedule the date I want to schedule it. Schedule. It's done. By scheduling this, you will don't have to worry about posting at exact time. Go on Creator Studio and schedule your post. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and let me know your biggest takeaway from this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more similar videos every single week. Thanks for watching.